cream, all good. Good old hot pepper. I real top man style, man. See that? Top highlight.
I mean, it's a
Yes,
it's
sir.
a season to ride up things with them.
See is a boss. Yeah, well, welcome back, guys. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You know, it's your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. Yeah, man, so we are head downtown Savlama. You know, we are going to do a little market shopping. So we are going to run a little small pot, nothing big today. Just some chicken foot with chicken neck soup with red peas. So come on, we are head down the town, my people. I mean, this is what Christmas in Jamaica is all about. A lot of cars, a lot of people, everybody are shop when they come on to Christmas shopping, food, clothes, curtain. You know, big up the dog behind the scene. Yeah, man, a dog I run off the camera and all my people. So I say big up, gratitude is a must. So, as you guys can see, the traffic picking out the town to them. Swear.
Uptown. Yes.
So, come on, we are trying to give you one drone shot at the market. But you know the place windy, so I don't know that I'll go. I still going to try, you know, whatever I go try suit, you know, so I'll make it be a two-part video. Part in the market and part when we are going to make the soup. The time really hot, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we just passed Bashko. I go down in the market, you know what I mean? One thing when you come on to Jamaica, always the finest food. Ground provision, you can see them cabbage, sweet potato, banana, pumpkin, plantain, scallion, garlic. Where are them, brother?
Every time the car, I look at this.
Yeah, man.
Check it out. Best
Yeah,
car.
man, there, man.
Real best.
Yeah, peeps, with the downtown. Our best cup. Yeah, man. In the town, you know, I festive season, you know. Place busy. Yeah, peeps. But there, man.
Yeah, man, so as I say, nothing but the best when we touch the market, you know. Everything, ground provision, all fresh. Straight from the drum to the market. That's how we kick it in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Christmas. It's been a while, I'm gonna give you guys a Christmas vlog, to be honest, you know what I mean? But you know, we are take the thing to a different level back. And sometimes we too lay back, as you know, right now, yesterday I was late when you come on to recording. Today another great video again. So chicken neck with chicken foot, red peas, soup with pumpkin in a hit. So you know me I go fly up a drone and you know me I go to a nice overhead view of Savlama market.
look for Solomon Market, Patricia Enterprise, you see me? Yeah, Patricia Enterprise see Christmas, loud and clear. Sell out where sell out. See there? Patricia Enterprise, look good clothes. See them there? All over. Look on the style over there, so Patricia Enterprise. See me? Yeah, I'm pretty busy now.
It's on YouTube. It's Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog on YouTube.
Baby clothes and play loud and clear, look good place. See me come over here so. And the rest of the thing and thing here so.
That's June.
That's the place I'm going. See me? Come down in town you say you get them. See them over here so. You sell where I sell out. Yeah. Look good things and foreign things. You see me? Yeah. Foreign things. Up and running. Sell where I sell out. You see me? See there? They are Frisca Enterprise. See ya. Sell with there, so sell the good, look good thing them. Come on road. See me? Some of the school shoes and thing them, you see me? Sell where sell out. Yeah, we have street flex, we have bus driving, we have walking foot, we have anything. You can just get the number and order. Sell where sell out. And we have the best craft everyone you come.
Go down further. Anytime I come downtown, I always have a check. Virgin, them one they blend the best juice downtown. And so I can't come down here and buy a juice from them, natural juice. Papaya, banana, melon, depends on what you want in it. And so we go across the road, go check him.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, man, so this is me I talk about when I come downtown, we have to check the general himself, man. Real strong back, you know?
Yo!
Hold them rasta.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to check out the general store. Right, banana, everything there, man.
May I have a banana?
Pineapple.
Hello.
Right, coconut. Papaya. Bar stall are going. Rasta, so I think taste, man.
Nice.
Just buy two of them, so I can't wait to get tonight. Right, dog? You can't wait to get it. You can't wait to get
my
it.
word, we can't wait to get it on my word.
Yeah, word,
Anytime we
word.
come downtown, me have a whole of juice right here. Box it.
That was the real general, man.
Best juice in a Savlon, I thought.
Yes, man. Bring the pips. No. I get my own and also. I get it right.
Yes, sir. Respect.
Yeah, no, you don't love get it right, you know.
Okay.
No one else
I
try.
don't want to straw.
That's for early, you know?
Yeah, no, so what I saw my
Yeah, you got man.
Yeah, peeps. Real changbak. Good for you. It's the road, you know? Yeah.
Nadisha, you had a problem with dog come up tonight.
Yeah, man, I just have to stop when you come and stop, man.
Original, I know. My friend for life, you know, a long time, you know them, man. You see, thing active, you know?
Best juice.
Best sweeter.
Without a doubt, without an apology. Yeah, man. Respect, bro.
Every month, a man get a baby. Every month, I get a baby right, that's all.
Yeah. Best juice. Everything best, bro.
When the girl in man, they come, so they get baby. Great.
May I have a banana and my pie?
Fancy.
Bro. Boy, I'm gonna put me in a problem with that one. So my people are trying to get their stuff them. Wrap up the video. I'm not even know if rain I go fall because the time looks bleaky and overcast. And when you can taste the oatmeal, the Guinness, the peanut and the milk. You know, I'm not supposed to do a lot of milk, but now and again try to sneak little milk in my system. You know? How far down you go dog? My
I
market.
check Kipper.
Oh.
I'm going for the boy.
Oh. And one happy Monday, my people. God be the glory. Great thing.
The peeps, the great DIY. Long time store. That's all. Come on.
Yeah, man, remember we're going to go record, guys, and the people must say they know when we're vlogging there.
Yeah.
I'll go cut across the stop sign and go over. Yeah, man, the juice bad dog.
Yes, man.
Eh?
Anytime I come downtown come by, me have to get a juice at Foxy. Yeah, man, then juice there. Hold me feed there. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Juice bad. Feel like take one more. But
That's how you go.
you don't take that more. We are going in.
Our YouTube channel, brother, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. We do a food now, cook on some soup here either. We just get some market stuff, so we just video from come down to. Yeah, man.
Why name?
Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Christine Enterprise.
I'm foolish, I'm not shiny. You hear me? I don't have a business place. You know, so I have to show my face. I'm not time for waste. Hey, big up dog, always around the soup around the yard. Hey, me always come with my dish, because my dish have a broad. And you know, say a real soup, I cook on a fraud, right? Caribbean Vibes cooking, man, that's a go on, you know, man. Same plus on a dog, you see me? Yeah, man, I saw you things set, man. I ride myself in front of China. Check out what I want. Yeah, man, I'm a store. When people buy from me one time, they have to come back some more. Hey, no window, no door. I would have missed some time to the store. See the other part of the store big. Look over the side.
Yes, peeps, that's DJ Rhyme, foolish, you know, joining. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, they're a good old cripple. I'm come market at them man I come to. Yes, man, good old cripple. And I get a good, nice piece of yellow yam. See pumpkin there? Pretty pumpkin. So I get to wait for stuff them. And so we see the place set up like a rain go fast, so we have to do what we have to do now. That's how I go on. That's one Irish. Yeah, good evening again, peeps. Welcome to another epic video. Yeah, man. After going shopping at the market, we reach back home now. So we all put on the soup pot now. So we're going to some chicken foot with chicken neck, red peas and pumpkin. So we get the things them sorted out now. Peas dip on the fire and the garlic, we strip the garlic them. And then we get the thing them go on peel up and salt out. We want like I've done have the vlog before night, because you know when you reach night, it's dark, so stick and stay till you reach further in the process. People get the chicken, put them salted, and the chicken make them. Some people don't cook with the two, but they get the two of them cut off. Days. Cut off all them foot buttons because sometimes you don't wash them foot.
Bunny and any
Cut off bunny. And then now see they don't wash them foot.
chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken wash the foot.
I own them.
Must it order?
Now I wash the chicken them foot. So I have to get them clean up. Then I left all the quiet. Yellow stuff on this one. Yeah, stick and stay over there.
Yeah, one pot of boil up, we had one whole head of garlic in it, you know? Now we have to add some pumpkin in there. And what the pumpkin does now, the pumpkin now, I got to add a rich body to the soup. We also add some breadfruit in it. So we're going to allow all of these to cook. Yeah. I'm going to wash the chicken foot with the chicken neck and add in there. I want chicken neck with chicken foot soup. Wicked combination, you know?
Red peas.
Yes, man.
I said I look at the coconut milk.
Yes, man. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog to the flipping world.
That's fun.
China, man, big up yourself, my brother. Chef Gary, big up yourself. Chef Dog behind the camera, big up yourself.
That's fun.
Chrissy, first lady, big up yourself. Yeah, Nadisha, first lady, big up yourself, mama.
She go on the road and she's soon forward.
Yeah.
Come on.
So we are going to stir. We are just level everything in our pot and allow it to boil, you know. One whole pot of soup, so we are feeding the whole community this evening, you know. And when Christmas is the time of giving, so we are give back, you know, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. The one pot of bubble up, yeah there.
See there. You know, come out
So we are going to add small portion of pimento seed in it. So we allow the pimento seed to boil with the meat. And what that does now is help to enhance the flavor of the soup. And the pumpkin mash out. So that's what we want. As you can see, the pumpkin mashing out is giving the soup a rich color, rich texture, and that's what we want to achieve from this soup. Yes, you got it.
You know, flow.
Check the chicken neck. Yes. Still tense. So in another 20 to 30 minutes, the meat will be cooked.
Want to wait for this chicken. As a print aki the pie.
And it's actually aki season now to it. And one thing I love about Jamaica and being a Jamaican, there's always some form of fruit or vegetables. There's always some food in when it come on to Jamaica, when it come on to our Caribbean country. You know, we always have something. When it's not mango season, it's pear season, is guinea, something. There's always something season, you know.
Yeah.
You can never go hungry when you're in Jamaica. Never. Yeah, man.
That's not a good look for me. Jamaica.
No problem, man.
The thing, so we're getting a good old coconut milk. That's it.
Oh, this is like coconut king.
That's one. That's a coconut I call we name, you know. We say coconut to you. Without coconut now, the soup can't. Nice. Yeah. We're waiting on coconut now. Drop a look right trash in that same here. It's a flavor. Soup flavor come up better, watch it.
Yeah. Right then I said nobody here, no. They say that we soup done.
Nobody else there,
The
Peeps.
whole COVID is
Same
come
place,
out.
the same place silence. Winnie pot ready and nice. Holy pot nice.
You know say what you not do a share to myself, that is a soup today.
Yes, man.
Yeah, I not share to myself,
Yeah,
brother.
man, it's a good look, man.
Get it, get it. Get it,
What a bubble up.
get it. Yeah, man. So, we're going to prep the soup dumpling. You know? Soup dumpling now only be some little spinners or some little round dumpling. Because you don't want them too big because of soup.
No can't be.
Yeah, so just some little round dumpling.
Look at normal dumpling, you know.
I go still leave a little bit of the flour to make some spinners. You know, and this is how we grew up and know how to make soup. This is how we learn how to make soup. When they come on to being a Jamaican, make some little round dumpling and some little spinners. Yeah, so we have the breadfruit, we have everything prepped up already. And we have the carrot and the Irish potato along with the chocho. So we're using like a pound of chocho in a pot of soup because we don't really use a lot of chocho when it comes on to soup. Because chocho are one thing where when it comes on to soup, chocho and carrot, if you have too much of them in the soup, they will overpour the soup. They will even though it's vegetable, but they will take away the flavor from the soup. So you don't want to add too much. They don't want to add too much chocho or too much carrot in the soup because they will kill the flavor of the soup, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only. But I'm boiled up, so we're getting the carrot, the Irish, and the chocho. I just eat soup for days. Oh my world. Can't wait to get in the chicken, put with the chicken neck and the red peas. Yeah, man. Drink my soup to the peeps. So I think so. Yes, man. So yes, peeps, we're getting the dumpling. You know, soup without dumpling. And no soup. You know, little teeny chuck wheel. You know what I do? Well, boy, I make chuck. And then look at wheel out with chuck. And a cat wheel. A chuck wheel. So we put in the chuck wheel and then we put in local spinners. Soup for days, please. Chicken neck with chicken foot and red peas. Red peas, I've added in the yellow yam. And breadfruit, I've added in the rent yam. Soup of John here and on so.
Guys, can you smell that?
One whole pot of soup. You don't drink of this?
Oh man, next year I still a drink soup.
Soup for days, peeps.
You not drink none?
Yes, man, I drink none, seriously.
Alright, we see time will tell.
Yes, man, I drink my soup.
Stir, so we're going to season up a pot. So we're going to use a Grace cock soup. We're going to use a Grace pumpkin flavored mixed noodle. Also another one, so two of them we are using a hit. We use a piece of butter. We add 3 Maggi all purpose. Based up off of the volume of soup, so we have to season it proper. So we are use 3 stalk of scallion, beat them and wash them, add in the pot. We use 2 pieces of fresh thyme, 2 scotch bonnet pepper. So what I do, I just crack one of them, just to just release a little spice in the soup. So we are going to stir because we don't want nothing to hitch in the bottom. Also I got to add just a little pinch of salt. with gentle turning because the noodle will go and sit at the bottom of the soup and then started to hitch and burn. So we don't want that in the soup. Okay, so once we turning, then everything will be coming out perfect.
Yeah, babes. She finally come ashore now. Soup ready. Watch it. Soup for days. Oh my word. Can't wait to get tonight. Yeah, man. Let's start showing the soup now. Soup and we're going to put same way. Watch soup, man. Rich, thick, and nice. Oh, soup ready, man. Once I'm gonna roll out.
Let's sweat out the soup.
Yes, peeps.
Night, you see. Yeah, tell him, man. One ya, touch dog, hot like a pepper.
Still lip on fire, man. You don't see it?
Steam a fly out.
Fly out of soup. Yes, man.
Yeah, we didn't want the vlog have done pretty early, but you see, they always go over in the night. You see that, Asia?
Yes, man.
Always, because like, you know, so many persons just a left work, so
Yeah. You know what I think, sir?
natural way for them to get a warm bowl of soup in the evening. You know?
Oh, greatest thing. Go play this. Yeah. Artist.
God, no.
So soup make you give you some good songs.
Yeah, people them, yeah. They set a soup, man. When I smell like it, can make me get a youth.
Yes, you them now, and I'll see if you can.
You can sweet someone. The best man, just like, share, comment, and subscribe here.
Go play this. Yeah, sure, no, man. I think so.
Nadisha, it out that is a big pot there now.
Yeah, man. Can just the coconut milk, turn up the other one. Loud. That's how natural soup, you know? Coconut milk. I do rare. Yeah, man.
Like a KFC alone. I think I like it good. You want to taste the soup. God knows, coconut is normal in life. But I look for all them flour. Feel like a joke. Come check out the man. Best set of soup, man, in the night. I like Teddy.
For real, man.
Nadisha,
Coconut milk, turn up the
take
line.
time.
Now, what's up? Please, what's up? Pot. So, how me want enough soup? Me can't even get plate, brother. Big old pot me a rare quick.
Come in the soup, but now you don't come back up.
Take time, Nadisha.
No, sir. Your soup nice, me can't take time.
I know super sure.
You afraid of bun? Oh.
Yes, Pete, it's been a long while. It's been a long while I've eat chicken food and chicken with soup. But there's a lot of drinks in my soup, I don't know what it is. There's a lot of drinks in my soup. Peeps, let's see now. Coconut, turn up. Soup, nice. Oh my word. It's a good look. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog.
The best part about it is a blessing because rain all that drop.
The rain a drop. So, it's a good look.
Bless, you know.
The peeps, man, it's a good look.
Bless on the boy and just a boss in the night, you know.
Watch your daddy.
Yeah, man.
Chicken foot,
Father
and
God.
chicken neck with
You
red
alone
peas.
can't do this. What's dumpling now? Who can't without dumpling?
Yes, guys, it's been a while, but I'm here. The hot man wait man.
They say hot.
Yeah, chicken foot and chicken leg is very, very good. And then you put going on it, coconut milk, pan up in it, and then look for it.
Yes, peeps, I know what we do. Remember, chicken foot with red peas and chicken neck. Pumpkin. Put that big smell down. I don't know what you jail. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Boom.
Yeah, man.